What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fish Over Chicks Woodworking. My name is Peter, and today we are going over 5 different things you can do with sawdust. I know we all have... Is there a feather in the sawdust? Where did this come from? Alright, guys, so the first thing you can do with sawdust is burn it. So the next thing that you can do is make art with it. This is actually a piece of just a bunch of sawdust that my girlfriend made for me. She took a clump of sawdust, poured a bunch of wood glue in it, and started molding it with her hand. So it's a little heart. You can make stuff like that. You know, if you want to sand this down really nicely, paint it, you can make something out of sawdust. So the possibilities are endless with sawdust and wood glue if you want to do something like that. John actually tried to break this because he wanted to see how sturdy it actually was, and it is not going to break. You could use this thing as a freaking hammer. It is very, very sturdy. It can be a Christmas tree ornament. We should just say that. You can make Christmas tree ornaments out of it. Yeah, okay. Moving on to number 3. So next thing you can do is use sawdust and wood glue as a wood filler. I know you can buy stuff in the store, wood filler, but it's way cheaper to just use the stuff you have. So basically what I did here is I got some sawdust and some Type-ons, you mix it all together, and you got yourself a little bit of wood glue paste. So I've got a pocket hole right here, so what I'm going to do now is just stuff the pocket hole with the wood glue and sawdust mixture that I've made. So once my mixture is in that hole, I'm going to give it about 2 or 3 hours to dry. Then I'm going to go ahead and sand it down nicely, and it's going to look like there's never even a hole there. The next thing you can do with this glorious stuff that we call sawdust is put it on weeds to actually kill your weeds. So if you put it on your garden, around your plants and stuff, it actually prevents a lot of weeds from growing. It's not going to be perfect, but I read a bunch of stuff online that said it actually prevents the majority of weeds from growing if you've got sawdust covering your soil. Could I tell you why? No, but a bunch of people online have said it worked, so I believe them. The last thing you can do with sawdust is pour it over gas or oil spills. When you do that, it helps sop up everything a lot faster and makes it a ton easier to clean up. And when I was in elementary school, what they used to do when kids threw up is they used to dump sawdust on the throw up, and then they used to shovel it out. So you can also do that if you throw up in your house. Just grab some sawdust, I guess. But guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below any other videos you'd like us to make, and me and John would be happy to make that happen. And we will see you guys in the next one. Guys, if you like that video and you want to learn how to build a router table with just using some scrap wood that you probably have around your shop, click right here and watch that video.